It's the last thing any Jersey Shore town needs, another storm. Frustrated locals are fed up with Mother Nature.
Well, enough is enough. We've been through several storms, and it's taken a toll on quite a few families.
Others say bring it on.
So far it has been good in terms of this winter. Not much snow, so I'm looking forward to it.
Today, beach communities brace for the worst.
As long as it warms up and the snow melts quick, we'll be fine. But if it don't, then we're going to be in trouble.
In Bradley Beach, crews race to demo the miniature golf course torn apart by the storm and strap down equipment and supplies before tomorrow's predicted high winds and snow.
We're trying to tighten everything up so we can, after snow, come back there and start working there, because we only have 3 months of Memorial Days here. So, we're against the clock right now.
Public Works Operating Supervisor Rich Bianchi thinks their beach is secure.
We have a quarter of a mile of the dune project already started with trees in them, so let the sand blow. We're ready for it down there.
And then there's the temporary sand barrier. Constructed after the storm specifically for protection against nor'easters, it stretches the entire beachfront, just over a mile, 10 feet tall, 20 feet wide. And here in Belmar, preparations are already underway for the storm. Between the thunderous sound of the boardwalk pilings being driven into the sand and the 4 pumps behind me, pumping out thousands of gallons of water from Lake Como into the Atlantic Ocean, the mayor says this town is ready for tomorrow's nor'easter.
The outflow pipe is broken since the hurricane, so the only way to get the water out of the lakes is to pump it out right now, in anticipation of whatever storm event we have, whether it's rain or snow.
Today, teams add snow fencing in the hopes of keeping the sand on the beach, and temporary sand dunes are expected to protect oceanfront homes. Farther down Ocean Avenue, crews are ahead of schedule on the boardwalk reconstruction, and it seems as though a winter storm won't get in their way. Contractors are on duty tomorrow.
Regarding the equipment, they're only going to use what's necessary, and what's not necessary tomorrow will be strapped down and secured.
Whatever Mother Nature brings tomorrow, these shore communities are determined to keep moving forward. In Bradley Beach, I'm Lauren Wonko for NJ Today.